Good morning students. We are going to read subject verb concord. Okay. First things we have to know, if you are going to write a sentence, you need to know some most important things to write a correct sentence. Okay. So first of all, we have to know what is important to write a sentence. Okay, first is a finite verb must be in the same number person or tense. Okay, see there, suppose that if the singular subject is there, then singular verb will also be there. Just Ravi is a good boy. Okay, this is singular and this is also singular. Okay, children are going to school. See here, this is in plural form, this is also in plural form. Okay, it means the subject will follow the tense. Okay, and person. Understood? First person, second person, third person pronoun. It means I am a good boy. Good boy. See here, I के साथ क्या लगेंगे? Am. So there will be am, not are. Okay. You are good student. Understood? So you follow the subject, or subject will be according to tense. Okay, so it is clear, subject will follow the tense and tense will follow the subject. Understood? This is first thing. If the singular pronoun is here, so singular verb will apply here. If the plural verb is there, plural subject is there, plural verb will apply there. Understood? Second, collective nouns always written in a singular form. Collective nouns written in singular form. Okay, a bunch of grapes, a bunch of grapes is hanging on the wall. Okay, see here, a bunch of grapes. Here, this is a collective noun. Okay, so here is plural, but we are using the verb according to this. Okay, so there is will be is, not, are, not, am. Understood? So if there is the collective noun, we will use singular form of the verb and singular verb will apply according to the subject. Understood? Second, third thing, if the singular noun add with or join with, and there should be plural verb. Okay, see there, Ram and Shyam are best friend. Okay, here singular noun joined with, and there will be plural verb are. Understood? If the plural noun add with plural noun, there will be also the plural form of the verb. Okay, next one, if there is any article before a noun, okay, there should be singular verb. Okay, the great poet and writer live in India. Okay, see there. Here the article is given before a noun, okay, and another noun joined with and. So there will be a singular verb, okay, lives, okay, use here, lives in India, okay. So lives here singular verb. If next, if the singular noun add with singular verb, sorry, singular noun, and both noun has article the, there will be the plural form of the verb, okay. See here, the great poet and writer and the writer lives in India, okay. See there, the great, the is used before two noun, okay. So there will be the plural verb, so plural verb is here in present indefinite with singular, with first form of the verb we add yes or es form of the verb in singular subject, and without yes or es form of the verb with plural subject. Understood? Okay. So these are the most important things that you know very well. Number 6, okay. In the sentence, see there, in the sentence, if there is two nouns joined by and they consider one things, there will be singular verb, okay, like whiskey and soda is serving, will serve, soda will serve in the party, okay. So there will be, if whiskey and soda will serve in the party, so there will be here whiskey and soda, this make a singular subject because these are couple words, okay, like bread and butter, okay, hue and cry, eve and tie, okay, these are the couple words. So before couple, sorry, when there is the couple words, okay, are two nouns which consider one things, there will be the singular verb, okay. Next one, when the two singular subject join with either are, neither are, either are, neither are, neither nor, or nor, okay, but also, rather than, okay. If they follow the singular subject, there will be the singular verb, okay. Here you can check here, either Ram or Shyam, either Ram or Shyam is going to school, okay. See there, this is use of either or neither nor, okay, not only Ram but Shyam, okay. If the singular subject is there, there will be the singular form of the were doing wrong. Okay, here see there is a plural verb, plural subject and add with or joined with either or, neither or, but also there will be the plural verb. Okay, so here is were. Okay, so if these either or, neither or but also or rather than, if it has singular subject there will be the singular verb, if they have the plural subject there will be the plural verb. Understood? Next, see then next topic. If there is a use of as well as and it followed by the singular subject, there will be the singular verb. Okay, there will be the singular verb. Understood? The old man as well as his son, the old man as well as his son is doing hard work. Okay, here the old man as well as his son is doing hard work. Okay, it has the singular subject. Okay, so there will be the singular verb. It means here, so the singular verb form. Okay, if the sentence has singular, if the sentence has singular and plural verb, then the verb will use according to subject. You as well as he are going to school. See there, you as well as he, so there will be the verb according to this first subject. Okay, understood? So there will be the use of as well as if two pronouns is given, so we will use verb according to the first subject. Understood? Next one you can check, if the singular subject takes singular verb, if they join with, together with, if together, if the word add with, together with, okay, with, in addition to, okay, or together, ठीक है, with, together with, okay. So the old man with his son, the old man with his son goes to walk. Okay, see there, the old man with his son, with is here. Okay, so according to the first noun we will use verb. Okay, so this is in singular form, so verb is also in singular form. Understood? If the verb is in singular form, then the subject also be in singular form. Okay, if in the sentence there is each, every, either, neither, each, okay, each, every, either, neither, each, every, either, neither, okay, each, every, either, neither, many are, many are, many are, there will be the singular verb, singular verb. Understood? There will be a singular verb. See there, each boy was silent in the meeting. See there, each boy, each means हर एक को शो कर रहा है, so there will be the singular verb. Okay, if there is the relative pronoun who, okay, so there will be the verb according to the antecedent of the relative pronoun. Okay, it means he who is my brother, he who is my brother, okay, should suffer with me, should suffer with me. See there, he who, here is, this is relative pronoun, so the verb will follow according to the antecedent of the relative pronoun. So according to he, we will use a verb is in singular form. Understood? So this way you can use, okay, if in the sentence there is some nouns always live in singular form, okay, some nouns always will be in the singular form, so there will be the use of singular form. Okay, like comics, civics, news, ठीक है, means economic, okay, these are words that is in comics. Okay, so these are some words which is looking just like in plural form, but it always used in singular form. Okay, here the news, see here, the news is too good to me. Okay, here the news, this is looking plural, but this always written in singular form. Okay, so in singular there will be the singular verb. Understood? Next one we can see that if there is the use of the, there is the use of, sorry, there. Okay, there is the use of there in the sentence, so the verb will use antecedent according to the verb's subject. Okay, see here, there were many boys in the garden. Okay, here there is my pen. Okay, see there is there and there, both are equal, but we use verb according to this subject. Okay, many boys, so according to this there is the plural verb, and my pen is. Okay, so this way you can use the verb according to the subject which is given in the book. Okay, so this way you can use. Understood? So these are the main things that you will know very well to write a correct sentence. So I hope you could understood very well. Okay, thank you. Have a